Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day and we have got some good stuff in here today. We have French bread, chocolate donuts, but I don't hold out much hope for them because they're Hannaford. And Hannaford chocolate frosting lately is the worst. It has no flavor and it's all like shortening-y. It's really not good. And I keep on tagging Hannaford in the videos, but they don't change their recipe. We got some cute little Hawaiian sweet rolls. It's a little tiny 4-pack. And isn't things just in tiny so cute? And I know the rolls aren't tiny, but it's only a little tiny 4-pack and it's adorable. Pita bread. Oh my goodness, do I got a story to tell you. It's so funny. Emma has totally discovered sandwiches. And she's discovered that she enjoys pita bread. Well, she's been cooking them flat and folding them in half to put her sandwiches on. She didn't realize that if you cut them in half, there's a pocket and you can stuff your sandwich stuff inside the pocket. It was so cute when she figured that out. It's so adorable. Sometimes I don't realize that my kids don't know this type of stuff. It's so funny. I love it. Toasted oats. Some filled blueberry donuts. One exploded, but scrape that stuff back off and put it on top and it's just perfectly fine. Spinaci and formaggi pizza. I will be the only one to try that because my family doesn't really do spinach. So, that looks good for lunch. Not the whole thing. I'll freeze the rest of it I don't eat. Some boneless country style spare ribs. Those will just either fry up or put in a soup or casserole or something. My family's not really big on pork meat for some reason. I don't know why. In-shell pistachios. 2 packs of red Solo cups. No, I'm not having a party, but they were free at the food pantry. And anytime I don't gotta use cups and do dishes and all that kind of stuff makes me very happy. We got potatoes. Some chicken drumsticks. I'll probably pass those on to my sister. Her and her family love drumsticks. Drumsticks are not my favorite. I do, if I have to, boil them up, take the little bits of meat off, and use the rest of it for broth and stuff like that. Black Forest ham and margarita frozen pepperonis. They're both frozen because the lunch meat comes frozen. Cherub tomatoes. Where there's 2 packs, I will probably make a roasted tomato sauce. Roast up the tomatoes in the oven and then just blend them up and there we go. Tomato sauce all done. And we go through a lot of tomato sauce in this family. They love tomato sauce. We got a fresh cauliflower, a creamy poppy seed dressing kale kit. I will probably pass that on too. Kale's not my favorite. A lactose-free 2% reduced fat milk. Emma will be happy to see that. She is mildly lactose intolerant. And a whole bunch of limes, because Mom didn't want hers either, so I got all the limes. 1 lonely lemon. And 3 onions. 2 cans of vegetarian vegetable soup. Oh no, 1 tomato, sorry. I've been actually taking the vegetarian soup, blending it up, and using it as a, quote, tomato soup in my recipes. Because nobody really eats the vegetarian vegetable in the house, but they don't mind it if it's zhuzhed up and put into a sauce, like spaghetti sauce or what have you. They don't mind that. Lentils. A thing of oil. We go through a lot of oil in this house, too. My son loves to cook with it. I don't necessarily cook with any oil anymore, but he does. A little 6-pack of eggs. Canadian white bread. Sliced bread is a luxury to get in a food pantry box. Awesome! And Greg's already been into these, but there was 2 scones and 2 muffins, but now there's 1 muffin and 1 scone. So, that's what we got in our food pantry haul today. I hope you all enjoyed. And you'll join me on the next video. Like, subscribe, and share, and have a super wonderful, fantastic day.